The other one needs fixing. I honestly set out to do good in this world. You know, catch the bad guys. Well, once they start hurting Mutt, that's just, yeah, not allowed. All right, Mutt, let's get you that chicken. Guess we can put away our sword. Oh, there's more people looking for us. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just let us go. All right, let's go find them. The chickens are on that side. Oh, he's looking. Go investigate the bodies. I'm just going to go look at chickens. That's it. We just want some chickens. Here, Poochie. Ah, he's coming. He's coming. Don't come any closer, sir. I said don't come closer. Sorry. I know. That's brutal. I do need my arrow back, though. You can keep your money. Just, bodies everywhere. Maybe we can wash away our sins. And we didn't get to do the tournament either, did we? Poochie, we lost the tournament. Well, technically, I think we... technically, I think we won the tournament. Hello.
God, quick! There's a corpse there.
There is. Whomever caused it. Oh. He's just... How is he going to know it was me? It's not like there's NCIS or anything. Forensics.
Why are you holding that weapon?
I'm not holding... Oh, I am holding
Put it
it.
away.
Sorry. You're right. Nope. My bad.
Here again.
You look like a swordsmith. You want to sell me a new sword? Because I think mine's getting a little dull. Oh, chicken. Chicken, yes. You cannot play this game and have ADD. It will get you in trouble, you know? I set off. I wanted to go to the tournament. And Mutt was hungry. Where are you running from, lady? Okay, we're good. Oh, I still got my bow out. That's why. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Chickens. Help me. You know. Oh, hey, look at this. Like some pork. Here. Mutt. Come. Yes, look. A cornucopia of chickens. And there's no one to say no. All right, Mutt. Let's do this. Let's stock up. We shall feast tonight. I can't kill the pig. Do you really want pork? I like piglets. I mean, bacon is delicious. Nope, bacon. Sorry, but... Ooh. You're tougher than the guards. Sorry, buddy. We want bacon. Holy cow, 120? We do not need that much bacon.
Look what I've got for you. You'll love...
Liver. You like liver? Ew, that's nasty. All right. Job well done. We'll have to wait next week for the tournament.